Good morning, students. Today we are going to study Chapter 11 Force and Pressure. In Class 7, you have learned how objects move. What does the distance moved by an object in unit time indicate? You also know that a moving object like a ball rolling on the ground slows down. Sometimes it may change its direction of motion. It is also possible that the ball may slow down and also change its direction. A hockey player changes the direction of the moving ball with a flick of the stick. How do fielders stop a ball hit by a batsman? In all these situations, the ball is either made to move faster or slower, or its direction of motion is changed. A force has been applied on a ball when it is kicked, pushed, thrown, or flicked. What is a force? Force is a push or a pull. Action like picking, opening, hitting, lifting, pushing, pulling are often used to describe certain tasks. Each of these actions usually result in some kind of change in the state of motion of an object. Forces are due to an interaction. Example, suppose a man is standing behind a stationary car. Will the car move due to his presence? Suppose the man now begins to push the car, that is, he applies a force on it. The car may begin to move in the direction of the applied force. Note that the man has to push the car to make it move. An interaction of one object with another object results in a force between the two objects. Exploring force. Activity. Choose a heavy object like a table or a box, which you can move only by pushing hard. Try to push it all by yourself. Can you move it? Now ask one of your friends to help you in pushing it in the same direction. It is easier to move it now. Can you explain why? Now push the same object, but ask your friend to push it from the opposite side. Does the object move? If it does, note the direction in which it moves. Can you guess which one of you is applying a larger force? Have you ever seen a game of tug of war? In this game, two teams pull at rope in opposite directions. Members of both the teams try to pull the rope in their direction. Sometimes the rope simply does not move. The team that pulls harder, that is, applies larger force, finally wins the game. Forces applied on an object in the same direction are to one another. If the two forces act in the opposite directions on an object, the net force acting on it the difference between the two forces. A force could be larger or smaller than the other or equal to each other. The strength of a force is usually expressed by its magnitude. A force can change the state of motion. Example, take a rubber ball and place it on a level surface such as tabletop or a concrete floor. Now gently push the ball along the level surface. Does the ball begin to move? Push the ball again while it is still moving. Is there any change in its speed? Does it increase or decrease? Next, place your palm in front of the moving ball. Remove your palm as soon as the moving ball touches it. Does your palm apply force on the ball? What happens to the speed of the ball now? Does it increase or decrease? What would happen if you let your palm hold the moving ball? These observations suggest that a force applied on an object may change its speed. If the force applied on the object in the direction of its motion, the speed of the object increases. If the force is applied in the direction of opposite to the direction of motion, then the result in a decrease in the speed of the object. Force can change the shape of an object. What happens when you press a rubber ball placed on a table? In all these examples, you saw that the application of forces on an object may change its shape. A force may make an object move from rest. Force may change the speed of an object if it is moving. Force may change The direction of motion of an object. Force may bring about a change in the shape of an object. Force may cause some or all these effects.